Has getting your pet into your vehicle ever been a struggle for you? This may very well be the solution. 6.9 pounds, it's light enough that you can put it in the trunk of your car or back seat, and it doesn't require any special tools, so that you can help get little Miss Fluffy into the back of your car. Simply pull on the sides of this to expand it out and place it where you need the dog to be able to get into the vehicle. Then, come here, come on up. Your dog can come right up the stairs and get right into where they need to be quickly and easily without any problems. Then when you're done, simply take the stairs, collapse them back down, and you're ready to go on your next adventure together. It has their non-slip grip, creative little paw prints on here to help give them traction. Aluminum frame, making it very lightweight, durable fabric. It does have some soft material here to help lean up to prevent any kind of scratching. And whenever it does get put up completely, if you were concerned that it might fall out, it does have an additional carabiner strap that could strap into a vehicle if you were concerned. Being as that it is adjustable, it can adjust to many different heights of vehicles. So if you're wanting to get it, some stairs to come in lower, they can obviously do that. Or expand it clear out again and have it be a little more natural grade.